Welcome back to Kids Time channel. Today we learn to gardening tools. Axe, gardening gloves, flower pot, rake, hedge, pitchfork, recycle bin, garden hose, boots, watering can, pruners, pruning saw, garden trowel, seeds, lawn mower, wheelbarrow, fertilizer, hoe, earthworm, apron, scythe, scissor, bucket, shed, ladder, spade, sickle, gardening fork, shovel. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.